Hello and welcome to my little Vespa video series assembling a Classic Vespa GS 150. Today we have a look on installing the handlebar, the tank and the cables. Starting off with the handlebar, preparing the handlebar for installing it onto the front fork. Greasing all tubes. This is the tube for the throttle. Here you have a little scheme how it should be installed. And then I'm greasing the shifting tube. And don't forget the little disc washer, so you can later turn it smoothly. Put all parts together, and after tighten this mechanism, it should look like this. Then you can place the handlebar on top on the front fork. Shifting cable and wiring loom onto the left side in direction of travel. Throttle cable and clutch cable on the right, and speedometer cable and front brake cable into the middle hole of the handlebar. Inserting the cable for the clutch. Inserting the cable for the front brake. Then shorten the cable for the front brake. Put on a aluminium cap. Insert it. And screw it tight. Then it should work. Yeah, that's it. There's the throttle cable sitting in its seating. And here it is again, where it comes out of the frame. And obviously you have to connect it to the carburetor. Inserting the cable and assembling the carburetor throttle system. Again, don't over tighten these little screws here on this Polini CP23 carburetor. And also don't forget this little rubber cap. And then it should work. For the handlebar side, I use this screw nibble, as you can see. Then we're gonna take a look on the shifting cables. That comes out here. And I'm a fan of soldering all ends of the cables, showing you this here. Then let's shift back into neutral and putting it back on the center stand, and that's it. For the light switch and the horn switch, connect all cables or wires into the right spots. Take a look on the scheme. Right top of this video. And I'm a fan of symmetrics, so tighten them symmetrically. The tank is easy to install. Just put it into its place and then tighten the tank with this freshly new blue zinc galvanized clip here, tank holder, and also bank holder, seat bank holder. And that's the fuel tap. And then you also can see my choke cable here. And I say thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 7 and last part.